Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com, the YouTube channel Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we're going to do a quick review of the Milwaukee 2-gallon M18 wet dry vac, and this guy is it right here in front of us. This is operated by the M18 battery, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by showing you where you put the battery in. So these little clips will flip open like so, and then out. And then this top piece lifts off just like that. Underneath here, the hose comes out, which can actually move by twisting this, and you can put it on here and it'll be like a little blower as well. And then inside of here, which I'm going to show you from the top here. So this is what this looks like. This comes out, and then tucked underneath there is this and your crevice tool as well. And both of these should go just right on the end of here, or you can just use it like this as well. And then your battery is going to drop in right here, and then here you have power. And that's really most details of this guy. It's a really good vacuum, sucks up quite a bit of dirt. Go ahead and do a quick demo and we'll clean this table off for you and give you a quick demo here. Really good job. And these tuck right back away when you're done. That goes like that. And then you're ready to go, and it carries really easy as well. Model number on this guy is 0880-20, and again it is the M18 2-gallon wet dry vac by Milwaukee. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We're giving this entire DeWalt drill kit away to a subscriber at the end of this month, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If anybody has any video ideas, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks, guys.